Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you love fresh herbs, and today we're diving deep into one of the absolute superstars, basil. We're going to break down the top 10 reasons why this fragrant, flavorful, and frankly fantastic herb deserves a prime spot in your life. First, we'll explore why basil is an absolute must-have in your garden. Then, we'll move indoors to discover why basil is your new best friend in the kitchen and even for your well-being. And stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be hitting that subscribe button and saying, "Yes, I need more basil in my life." Now let's start our top 10. Let's kick things off outside. Basil is an absolute dream for gardeners of all levels. Basil isn't just one plant. It's a diverse family with unique flavors, leaf shapes, and even colors. There's a perfect basil for every taste and garden. You've got classic sweet basil, perfect for pesto, and refreshing lemon basil. There's the incredibly aromatic Holy Basil, Tulsi, with its renowned wellness benefits, and spicy Thai basil for Asian dishes. Exploring the different types is a fun way to expand your culinary and gardening horizons. Basil is incredibly forgiving and thrives in sunny spots with well-drained soil. Even better, it grows quickly, which means you can plant it in stages throughout the season to ensure a continuous supply. Whether you start from seed or pick up a small plant, basil pretty much takes care of itself. For an endless harvest, try succession planting. So, a batch in spring, another in early summer, and even a third in midsummer. This way, you always have fresh leaves for pesto, salads, and more. Certain compounds in basil act as a deterrent for common garden pests. This means fewer unwanted guests munching on your precious plants. Plant basil near your tomatoes to help keep hornworms away, or intersperse it with other veggies to deter aphids and even some types of flies. It's like a natural, aromatic bodyguard for your garden. Basil is known to be a fantastic companion for several popular garden vegetables, actually enhancing their growth and flavor. Tomatoes and basil are a classic pairing, not just on your plate, but also in the garden. Planting them together is believed to improve the tomato's flavor. It also does well near peppers, oregano, and even some flowers. While deterring some pests, basil flowers are a magnet for beneficial insects like bees, keeping your garden buzzing with goodness. Let some of your basil plants go to flower. Not only are the flowers pretty, but they'll bring in those busy bees and other pollinators that are crucial for the health of your entire garden and local ecosystem. Okay, now that we've seen how amazing basil is in the garden, let's bring it inside and talk about why it's a game changer for your kitchen and even your health. Basil brings a unique, aromatic, and slightly peppery sweetness to a vast array of dishes, making them instantly more vibrant. From the iconic pesto sauce to caprese salads, tomato sauces, pizzas, stir-fries, and even infused oils and vinegars, basil elevates almost any savory dish. Don't forget that refreshing touch it adds to a simple pasta or a gourmet sandwich. Basils belong to the Lamiaceae family, which is the mint family. Just having a basil plant indoors provides a lovely, natural aroma that can freshen up your space. Place a small basil plant on your kitchen counter, by a sunny window, or even in your living room. A gentle brush of its leaves releases a wonderful, clean, herbaceous scent, much nicer than artificial air fresheners. Basil, especially Holy Basil, Tulsi, is packed with compounds that offer significant health advantages, from fighting free radicals and reducing inflammation to soothing the digestive system. It also contributes to a stronger immune system and a calmer mind. It's like a little green hug for your body and mind. Adding basil into your diet, whether fresh in salads or cooked into meals, provides a natural boost of antioxidants. A warm cup of basil tea can help reduce bloating and aid digestion. Holy Basil is particularly renowned for its adaptogenic properties, helping the body manage stress and promoting overall well-being. Beyond culinary delights, basil offers simple, natural ways to address common minor ailments right at home. You can create a soothing basil compress for insect bites, or simply chew a few fresh leaves to freshen breath. The essential oils in basil can also be used in aromatherapy to help reduce tension and promote relaxation. It's a handy herb for a quick natural fix. Basil isn't just a delicious herb. It carries a fascinating history, revered and used across cultures for thousands of years. Its journey from ancient India to the Mediterranean and beyond is truly remarkable. In ancient India, Holy Basil, Tulsi, was considered sacred and a symbol of purity and devotion. In some European traditions, it was associated with love and protection. From being buried with pharaohs in ancient Egypt to featuring in classic Roman and Greek texts, basil has long been more than just a plant. It's a living piece of global history. So there you have it. 10 incredible reasons why basil isn't just a kitchen staple but a garden hero and a wellness ally. From exploring diverse varieties and super easy growing to elevating your meals and powerfully supporting your health, basil truly does it all. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And for more amazing tips on growing, cooking, and utilizing the power of herbs, make sure to subscribe to the Herbal Keys. We've got a whole garden of knowledge waiting for you. See you in the next video.